Hello friends, welcome to the course of Marketing Management 1. Under the unit number 1 Introduction to Marketing, this is our 8th session, and in this session we are going to discuss role and functions of marketing manager, marketing challenges in globalized economic scenario, impact of technology and social responsibility. So this will take 10 minutes to complete the videos. So far we have discussed about evolution to marketing to recently about marketing environment, and today's of topic of discussions are which role and functions of marketing manager. It's a marketing manager has to liaison with the top management, that is managing director, CEO of the company, about what is going on in the area of marketing. The marketing manager has to study external environment, which includes technological environment. In the previous video, we had seen the various marketing environment. So a marketing manager has to study all these marketing environment to get the details about the market, so that according to understanding the marketing environment, he can able to formulate the policies to design the product price, place and promotions, and even an strategies product market distribution. So that understanding this environment, he has to go with designing a marketing mix properly. So he has to go with the product strategies. Then he has to work out on pricing strategies. He has to develop the channel of distributions. He has to look out how whether the promotion communication of the product is going with right direction. Also, he has to take care of his team who are supporting and with the sales as well as in marketing operations. He has to formulation, coordination and supervision of all marketing programs. He has to prepare a marketing plan, marketing budget, and accordingly he has to execute all the functions in the department of marketing. The marketing challenges in the globalized economic scenario. So you know that the changing customer need and want. So as you know, there are huge number of products are available. The technology is changing and the consumer is also changing. So every marketer, every organization has to understand this changing customer need and want. Again, the competition in the market has created lots of challenges to all marketer, and they has to continuously work out on how they should implement the competitor strategies. Generating traffic and leads, to bring the customer to the doorstep of the shop is a challenging even in website traffic, and creating these leads into an actions is also one of the big challenge in front of the marketing. Uh, then providing return on investment of your marketing activities. So return on investment is very important what your marketing against your marketing budget. So whenever we have to do an heavily advertisement to reach to the consumers, and so many media and tools of communication has been increased. So that's why it is becomes very challenging to provide a return on investment for all marketing activities. Securing enough budget to the marketing is also one of the challenges. How much should be spent on the marketing activity. Managing your website, as ZMOD, zero moment of truth. Whenever anyone has to do anything, any activity before purchasing any product, majority of customer now googling and finding out whether the products having good presence at online mode or not. So managing a website becomes an important task. Targeting content of an international audience, training your team. So training a team is also one of the challenging faced by a marketing department, as the new things has been increasing in the market. Hiring top talent, as the field from an marketing analytics, digital marketing has been evolved, as well as the managing all channel of distribution is one of the big tasks. So hiring top talent is also according to the need of the market is challenging, and delivering an account based marketing strategies. So each marketing strategy should have accountability, and it's a challenging to the marketing department in this globalized economic scenario to find out the accountability on each marketing strategies. Moving ahead with next point, impact of technology on marketing. Now the internet world has brings a lots of challenges, and the technology has moving with a very fast speed, and many human activity has replaced by so many tools of technology, like, and you see the robots has came in the market to do lots of activities. Drones nowadays used in lots of business applications. Even the Flipkart, Amazon is has tested the delivery of products through the drone. Blockchain is one of, again, the cryptocurrency is have an impact on marketing in future also, that will be a largely affect on the banking financial sector. Virtual reality, augmented reality, IoT, that is Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So these all are the technology has continuously affecting on the marketing. The artificial intelligence is the ability to leverage customer data, and these concepts like an machine learning to anticipate your customer's next move and improve the customer journey. Uh, Augmented reality technology that enhances real life environment by laying three-dimensional artificial objects on top of it. So you all of you know the 3D printing machines are also came in the market. Blockchain, a reliable, difficult to hack record of transaction and ownerships. In marketing, it provides marketers with more secure way to encrypt sensitive data. Chatbots nowadays has came, so very easily these robots has give your answers to your FAQs. Chatbots, computer generated programs that use artificial intelligence to initiate and carry on conversation with consumers. Digital transformations, service providers that help brands digitize offering and creative tech-driven services, model and platforms. Future consumers, digital-first companies that create content and experiences that leverage technology to engage consumers in an impactful and meaningful ways. Future retail technology that can influence customer experiences and use artificial intelligence to drive future spending and brand preference both online and stores. IoT, that is Internet of Things, the extension of internet connectivity into an physical devices and everyday objects, which in turn provide data to marketers. Live video broadcasting, a live video feed an online audience enables marketers to promote their products or services in real time. Neuro marketing has also come in picture, technology that uses the principles of neuropsychology to study consumers' sensorimeter, cognitive and affective responses to make to marketing stimuli. Then programmatic automated bidding and advertisement inventory in real time for the opportunity to show an ad to a specific customers in a specific contest. And virtual reality, the use of computer technology to create simulated environment where the user is placed inside an experience. So if you see, this technology has lots of changes bring in the area of marketing. And you all of you know how the digital marketing, marketing analytics, business intelligence, these things has introduced in the market, and it becomes easy some of the ways to reach towards an customer with the help of digitalizations or changing technologically technology. The last point, that is marketing social responsibility. There are American ethical norms and values for marketers. The first one, that is honesty, be forthright in dealing and offer value and integrity. Responsibility, accept consequences of marketing practices and serve the needs of customers of all types while being good stewards and environment. Our policy should be fairness, balance bias needs to a seller interest fairly, and avoid manipulation in all forms while protecting the informations of the consumers. Respect, acknowledge basic human dignity of all the people involved through efforts to communicate, understand, and meet needs and appreciate contributes of others. Transparency has to also maintain, create a spirit of openness in the practice of marketing through communication, constructive criticism, action, and disclosure. Citizenship, a fulfill from legal, economical, philanthropic, and social responsibility to all stakeholders, as well as give back to the community and protect the ecological environment. Do good, not just look good. Focus on being a responsible and how your firm can truly help the neighborhood or country. It is an doing so that your customers, the press, and all those watching will be impressed. Think about long-term effects, not short-term gains. Short-sighted companies will undervalue the impact of responsible marketing for instantly gratify increase. We had seen in marketing myopia concepts with a short-sighted, narrow-minded concepts how those companies who has not think long term it has to close themselves and that are out of the market. Speak up against company policies that do not reflect the ethical profile of the company. As the face of the company, marketers should voice their concerns when there is an potential for practice to be seen as unethical. So these are the responsibility of an social responsibility of an marketing also. So in the session entire lectures we have discussed about functions, role and functions of marketing manager. In nutshell, we had come up with impact of technology and then marketing social responsibility. I hope you had understood today's topic. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel SK for getting an updated video in marketing.